Hey there, Heather Boyd here. Welcome to day 5 of the 10-day acrylic painting challenge. I will be posting tutorials every second day so that you have lots of time to catch up with the challenges. There really are no rules and no deadlines in this challenge. It's just for fun. I would love to see pictures of your creations. You can email photos to heatherboydwire@gmail.com, or you can join my private Facebook group, Heather Boyd Art. The group is open to all subscribers of this channel. You can share photos of your creations from the 10-day acrylic painting challenge and any other of your mixed media artwork.
Today we're doing an abstract acrylic background with an optional wire word. We are going to first sketch out our word on a piece of paper with a pencil to get it nicely spaced. I'm just doing it in cursive. Put that at the side, and now we're going to do our background. So I'm just going in with a big brush and my acrylic paint, and I'm blending them on the canvas. So I haven't really pre-mixed my colors. I'm just going for it, adding different colors as I go. Keep in mind, this video is at fast speed. If you have trouble watching the fast speed video, you can change the playback settings and watch it in a slower speed. I'm just going quite quickly in any case and adding my colors as I go. So darkening up some areas, placing them in different areas of the canvas, grabbing some other colors and blending them on the canvas. You can vary the direction of your brush strokes. You can go side to side, up and down. Just play around with the paint. Add some white if you need to lighten it up a little bit or make it more opaque. And keep going for it. If your colors get a little muddy, you can let it dry a little bit and then go over top. Don't worry too much about how the background looks, because we're going to be going over top of it to make the word. Just use the colors that you like. Have fun with it. You can use your finger if you want to blend. Do some finger painting. You could use the sponge if you prefer. Whatever method that you like to create an abstract background. So now I'm going in with a sponge just to blend the colors a little bit. When you use the sponge, it softens it up a little bit. And we're just going to go all around the canvas until we're happy with it. Adding some more light, some more white. Do some little sponging. You can soften it up a little bit with your finger. Have fun with it. Just play around. I'm just trying to make it a little bit softer. It's got a nice kind of atmosphere to it. Almost looks like a landscape, but it's really intended to be quite abstract. You can add some more pops of color in there as you wish. Like I said, I didn't really blend the colors too much first on my palette. I'm just playing around with them on the canvas itself. Looks like it's very, very fast, but keep in mind I did speed up the video just to save a little bit of time and to get us where we want to go. So once you have all your colors down, put it to the side, let it dry, and if you're doing the wire, we're just going to trace it over the letters. Now this is quite a thick wire. This is more like a 12 gauge aluminum wire. I ordered this online, but you can also use whatever you have on hand. You can even do this with wool. If you wanted to do it with wool, it could be fun. Or you can simply draw and paint the word on the canvas with a darker paint like black paint. So there's lots of options here. Don't feel you have to use the wire at all. This is my preferred medium, so just do what works for you. You could even do collage letters and words if you want. Really, the sky is the limit. This 10-day challenge is very open-ended. I want you guys to have fun with it. There are no rules. These are just guidelines for what you can create, and everybody always comes up with some amazing ideas. So there is our word hope, and you can do any little adjustments that you need with the wire to make them more even. Just use your fingers to do this. You don't need tools when you're making letters that are so big. And then what I decided to do is just trace this onto the canvas. I find it's easier that way. Then you have the exact shape of the wire letters rather than trying to follow the painted shape of the letters with the wires. So we're just kind of working a little bit backwards, but it's going to work out. We will remove the wire and we are going to paint the word. I'm using a fluid acrylic. This is a black color and a finer brush, so it's much easier to paint the word when the paint is more liquidy. So if you don't have a fluid acrylic, you can dilute it with some water or some medium. And if you don't have the correct medium or you're not getting the consistency you like, you could even use India ink with this. You can be scrappy with this project. So there's the word hope, and then you can superimpose the wire on top. You could also use black wire on top, and then you don't have to paint the word in the background. The sky is the limit with this project. And there's our finished piece.
So thanks so much for watching the video. Thank you to everybody who is participating in the 10-day acrylic painting challenge, and we'll see you the next time.